In an instant, my life turned upside down. I was hit by a car. And at those seconds I was flying on the asphalt. I realized that life can end any moment. But I did not create anything significant, anything useful. There I was, lying on the asphalt with a double-fractured face bone. I made a decision that if I made it out alive, I'd devote my life to joinery and create the goods of handiwork that would outlive me for a lot of years. That choice wasn't random. Not long before the accident, I'd go to the city of Elista, the capital city of the Republic of Kalmykia. I was greatly impressed by its ethnical individuality. The idea that sparkled inside of me was to contribute to revival of the Russian style in furniture and architecture. I wanted every town to have its own character and distinguishable fashion. After leaving the hospital, I resigned from a hated job, bought my first working bench and started to explore the world of joinery. Of course, it was a rocky road at the beginning, but then it all went uphill. There were a lot of wins in local and international contests, and today Rusichi Cooperative Craft Society is known worldwide, far beyond the south of Russia. We present Russian handiwork at international expositions and festivals. Our works are represented in museums, we renovate architectural complexes, give regular masterclasses and influence our sector substantially, while having our goods of handiwork spreading worldwide. And I can clearly see that we're going straight to our goal. And now, I want to start my own joinery school. I have a big dream to have our country and the whole world full of masters of their craft. Because these are successful and happy people with a sparkle in their eyes, that do what they do best and love what they do best. My goal is not only to make the Russian style shine again, but to give to the students an opportunity to create in any national style using obtained skills. I want to remind people of a forgotten rule: not to throw out things, but to put them together. Not to buy ordinary, but to make unique. I want to teach to create in this era of consumption. My uppermost value is my family, and now I'm convinced that not only adults need a joinery school to get a better job and higher payment, but children need it too to grow creatively. The school can build up new family values and traditions, consolidate the connection between nations and generations, can help each and every one popularize its national culture and learn how to create the goods of handiwork. I offer you to become a part of the project. We already give the masterclasses and have started building the joinery school. And to make it before the winter, we really need your support. You can really help us begin teaching kids and adults starting this year. And along with our gratitude, we will deliver our goods of handiwork, a great present for you and your loved ones. Join our cause, and together we will show the world the new masters of their craft.